tried to run away, but I got him. He the one that jumped in front of your car, made you run off the side of the road. He acted like he all hurt. He ain't hurt. I'm out. Good luck getting your coffee.
You should have got my information, Claire.
Give me. Let me take it off. Let me take it off.
Hey, no, hey, you have your own bed.
Remember how nice it is?
Don't you want to sleep in that one? Then I will.
Hey, we have a friend. Oh, he took the cheese.
Gigi, stop! Quincy, we are going on a road trip. Woo! Yes!
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Hey, boy. What's up?
Hi guys.
Hey.
It was good. They just, played the whole time.
All right. Well,
They played with the birthday present you got Bryce.
oh wow.
Tony got his chance.
Good.
What's up, Bryce?
Bryce, next time we'll do it over here. Okay.
Tony goes, "What are you wearing?" This is Bryce's hockey outfit. It's a little
Oh, okay. He plays hockey.
like
Okay.
the under. I
Yep.
don't know what the bass players. Okay,
Oh!
bass players.
Excuse me. What happened?
I have no clue.
Well, that was actually a nice tuck and roll.
Yes, it was.
Oh.
But how did that even occur?
Well, I know. Listen, my husband always tells me when I wear my Crocs or my sandals, your feet, how they're kind of like
Yeah.
unsteady.
You go lay down somewhere. Hi. Okay.
Stop. Call the neighbors. What's going on?
In this okay?
Yeah.
It was good.
Yeah, same idea. Yeah.
Idea.
Oh, man.